What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. In today's episode, I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways to pack. I know for me, packing used to be a challenge, but with these 3 different ways, you can use one or all, and they're great and they're awesome. They're going to help you keep you guys organized. So if you want inspiration or new ideas on how to pack your suitcase, just keep on watching. So the first packing style I want to tell you guys about is from this book, Giada Feel Good Food, and she actually talks about in her book how her stylist will pack her clothes in Ziploc bags to make it easy for her. So she has a full outfit in a bag with a tag in it that says what it's for. So I'll show you guys an example of my own of what that looks like. Here I have a Ziploc bag and I have a dress here. So just a little dress, I'm going to add that to the bag. And I also have my accessories. So I have a necklace here, and then I have a bracelet and a cute little headband. So I'm going to add all of that to the bag, and we're going to say that this is for Tuesday dinner, just an example. So I put that in the bag as well, zip it up, and this is what it will look like. I wouldn't add the shoes, I will leave the shoes out, but if you wanted to put the shoes in the back of the bag facing the floor part or the soles part on the outside, you could do that. I don't like shoes mixed with clothes, so that's why I wouldn't do it, but here it is. Another way that I would do that first packing style is, say I have a purse that I want to bring with me and it's pretty big, like this one. I would just take the dress, add it in the purse here, and I would put that same headband, that necklace, as well as that bracelet right in there, slip the little tag that says Tuesday dinner in there, zip it up. So let me show you the inside. This is what that looks like with everything inside, and I have the slip in here, so all I have to do is go in the purse. Okay, that's for Tuesday dinner. Close this bad boy up, and then I have outfit in a bag, but it would actually be in something that I would use if you guys don't want to use plastic bags. So that's just another example of packing style 1. Let's move on to packing style number 2. So packing style number 2, I like to call it the 1-to-3 ratio. And what I like to use this for is if I'm backpacking or I'm in a situation where I have to pack light. So 1-to-3 is basically where I have like one bottom. So in this case, it'll be denim shorts to 3 different tops. So here's one top, here's the second, and here is the third. So there's the third. And what I like to do is put these in with packing cubes. And I will also have those packing cubes linked below. So what I like to do is at least put them in rows. So I'll do this with multiple things. So I have a jeans and skirts and all that other kind of stuff. But I'll put the bottoms at the bottom, and whichever tops I want to interchange with that, I'll line them up. Alright, so here's the travel pouch. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are rollers or folders. I'm a roller. So here we have a pair of shorts, denim shorts, and a pair of jeans. So what I did was we have our denim shorts here, and we have our 1 shirt, 2 shirt, 3 shirt. So that's where that 3-1 comes in. We have our 1 pant, 1 shirt, 2 shirt, 3 shirt. And honestly, this usually works better. In this case, I could actually interchange because this denim is the same color. But if, say, this was a red or yellow or some kind of color pant or skirt, then that's where having this 3-1 would come in, because you would have picked clothes or shirts that match up better with that specific bottom. But this is pretty generic. I can interchange these any way I want. Also, these travel pouches here that I have linked below come with laundry pouches, which is pretty helpful because obviously nobody wants their dirty laundry in with their clean clothes, and I'll just throw that on top when I'm done packing everything, zip it up, and put it in the suitcase. There we go. Last but not least, packing style number 3. What I like to do for this one, especially if I'm being a little bit indecisive about what I want to wear, not sure, or sometimes I'll pack and say, you know, I might change my mind, let me pack this and this, then I will sort those just by item. So for instance, this package, even though it's a laundry pouch, is all of my swimsuits. So I put all of my swimsuits in here, and this is going to be the swimsuit pouch. Another example would be my travel pouch. I still use these. So this has all of my undergarments in it. So I put all my undergarments in here. And then I would take some of my other travel pouches and sort them by bottom, sort them by top, sort them by dresses, depending on how in-depth or how many packing cubes you want to use, as well as how large your suitcase is. For this specific example, I'm using my carry-on suitcase, so there isn't that much space. But if I had my larger suitcase, that's exactly what I would do. Here's a clip of what my travel suitcase looks like with all 3 packing styles. We have our 1 to 3, our outfit in a bag. We have our piece-by-piece items. Here is my makeup bag, as well as my shoes and my undergarments. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so that you never miss a travel tip or travel experience from me. Also, I will leave some links below regarding the suitcase and my travel pouches. I'm definitely a where did you get that kind of girl, so I love to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye. I just want to show you guys, give you guys, oh my god, back to my channel. Oh my god, to your function. Oh my god, what? Case with me is very small. What? And oh my god, I like the most, and they what am I talking about? If you guys enjoyed this video, I will live. Wow. So the first packing tip, oh my god, no, I don't like. So yeah.